Hello guys, so you can see here today I have.
Dear all, this is Harsh Kumar. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Today I have come up with two ideas which needs very less efforts, but it can bring a lot changes in the world. I want to gain all of your attentions towards the saving of nature and the environment. During this such hazardous pandemic situation, the world have witnessed the loss of lives in millions, and the country like India witnessed a lack of medical infrastructures. There is huge, which resulted into the huge loss of lives in millions in our country as well. Yes, of course, I feel, and this is a very basic need in such emergency situation, to build up the oxygen manufacturing plants, to develop the high-tech medical facilities. This is a very basic and first need in such emergency situations in the future as well. But do you think this is the permanent solution? Of course not. We need to move towards the sustainable development. Yes. So I have made two small plans, which is not new. You all will be knowing about it, but the time has come to act upon it. Let us start with small. Whenever we target something very big, something very big at one time, then it becomes difficult to execute. Let us target this small only for a week. The first thing is what I have planned. Let us stop using polythene bags. In a daily routine lives, we all are holding responsible for using lot of used polythenes which there is no use of it. So I will suggest, whenever you are going for purchasing any groceries, please carry one common bag or any one common polythene, no polythene, one common clothes bag which can be washed as well. See, this is very small. I can hold this in under my hand. Okay. So today I am going to purchase the vegetables and groceries, and I will show you, please be in the video, how I am not using the polythenes and taking all the vegetables in one bag, and after coming I will wash it and reuse it. So this was my first plan. Let us target only for a week. Last week when I came home after purchasing this thing, I'm seeing that 6 to 7 polythenes I brought to my home. There is no use of it. We all know that these polythenes are non-degradable materials. Okay, so please be in the video. Now my second plan is, when we all are habitual of gifting things in a birthday, in the marriage occasion, or any kind of celebration. We gift to our loved ones, our known people, some good things. So let us start gifting one small plant. We all have spaces in our homes, we have gardens, anywhere. So whenever there is a birthday, to your families, to your near one, dear one, your loved ones, please, I suggest you to gift one small plant instead of gifting some other things. Being a responsible citizen, we need to act with responsibilities. Only the responsible citizen can make a strong nation like India. We can't blame every time everything to the government. We are a citizen, we need to be responsible for it. And my second and first, both ideas you all please follow, or I request from all my near and dear one, please follow over my request for once only for first week. If you are able to successfully do it, then plan for an entire month. Let us see what changes comes to us. Remember, hospitals are not built to stop road accidents. It can be only stopped with careful driving. Thank you everyone. Please be safe at home.
Hello guys, so you can see here today I have not stopped using polythenes, and I saved 4 polythenes. I didn't use it. I brought this bag and I have taken all the vegetables in the same bag. After going to home, I will wash it and then I will use it. So I've seen this snack for the polythene, so I'll keep in this bag whatever is there. Okay, so today I have saved 5 polythenes.